Do you know why I love this blueprint so much? Because it's so beginner friendly. I've never seen anything so beginner friendly to build an online business for yourself. The blueprint itself gives you a fantastic educational program that in itself is just brilliant, and that's your digital product. In addition to the blueprint, when you sign up with myself, I'll invite you to our private community as well, and that gives you mentoring. It gives you the 90-day business breakthrough training. It gives you loads of resources. It gives you an autopilot system that you can copy and paste and basically use all our funnels and our email sequences that you can just pop into your autoresponder. We tell you what autoresponder to use, which is free. But the step-by-step process you're going to be given by joining our community is just second to none. I've not seen anything like it. I am so pumped to be part of this community. So pumped to be part of this blueprint, and having this community in addition to that, just takes everything to another level. Seriously, the mentoring we're getting every day, we're getting actions from our mentor, and it's amazing. It blows my mind. I'm just going to show you quickly what you're going to get within the community. This is in addition to the blueprint, okay? So when you sign up on the blueprint, this is our community page. Okay, so you've got the classroom section here, and of course you've got your step one where you introduce yourself to the community, and there's additional training in there. Here you've got your 90-day training from our mentor, and it's and you can go back and look at other days and previous training videos, further resources. And if we scroll down here, here's how to set up your business on autopilot. And that's where all the magic happens, really. So, of course, you're doing your videos on the front end. This is your autopilot system where you can basically copy everything that we do. Obviously, finding your ideal customers, etc. Mentoring Zoom replays. So if you've missed any, you can go back and watch them. And there's other training down here, and our mentors add into it all the time. And just remember, what I just showed you there is free. Once you sign up on the blueprint and then you own your digital products, what I just showed you there is free for being part of our community. You're not going to get that anywhere else. This is why I'm here. After 8 months of being an affiliate marketer, this is why I am here, because it's the best place to be. If you're interested, type blueprint below and I'll reach out.